Hi, today I'm going to introduce the clear plastic PVC, PET, PP boxes package for you, and I will show you what kind of products that the plastic box can pack. In fact, clear plastic box package can pack any visible products in your mind. According to our experience in the product package that we made this year, there are several main style products that is popular in the market. The first product style that using clear plastic box is the electronic products and accessories. I guess you must have seen so many plastic boxes hanging in the store shelf. This one is the clear plastic PVC box for earphone. And this one is the plastic box for cable. If you don't want the inside products moving in the box, we can do the clear plastic blister to fit the inside products. We accept custom printing, and you can print your logo or instruction on the box. Usually, the electronic products would use this kind of normal structure box. This earphone box uses the normal structure. We also call it toothpaste structure. You can open the box easily. This cable box uses normal structure box with single hanger. This plastic box for cable uses the normal structure box with W hole. The people demand for phone case is large. We also have many clients who place the order regularly. We can do different sizes according to the phone case size. The phone case plastic package also can match with the inside clear blister. You can decide if you need the inside blister or not. The printing on the box also can be customized. If you don't want to print on the box directly, you also can choose printing label to attach on the box. The hanger of the phone case box also can be customized. You can choose the hanger style of the box, such as regular shape or round shape. You can choose the injection hanger that need to assemble on the box. We also accept custom size box for protective jacket, like iPad protective jacket box package, tablet PC protective jacket box.